Many of our customers across the country ask us whether they can install their own rolling shutters. And to that I would say yes, but it depends. We custom build every rolling shutter, and sometimes they involve motors, in which case you might need to do some wiring electrical work, or they're manually operated, in which case you're only really mounting the shutter to its surface. So in either case, you want to make sure that you are handy, or you know somebody who's handy who can help you out. We have a variety of installation guides and videos to help make sure that you can successfully install a rolling shutter. But if you don't consider yourself handy, if you don't have a contractor that you've used before, we can help you identify and connect with an installer or a dealer who can help you do that. So the point is, rolling shutters are installed all the time by people who've never done it before with a level of handiness and with an installation guide from us, but you don't need to. We can help you with an installer.